Hello, this is a 10-step series of videos that describe how to use a Mac computer on your first day. So the scenario is you've joined a new firm, they've provided you with a Mac computer, you've asked them if you could have a PC and they've said no. So you've thought, okay, I'll just try and get used to using a Mac. And on your first day, you find lots of frustrations because there are things you used to be able to do easily that you can't do. And it's extremely stressful because you're trying to show your new colleagues that you're capable of doing your job and you can't even use your computer. So yes, very stressful indeed. So that was my scenario a week ago. And over the course of a week, I figured out ways to use a Mac to make it work the way I wanted and how I was used to using a PC, which is why I put together this series of videos. I appreciate the production quality isn't sky high, but I was more concerned about getting the message across than making it super polished, which is why the production quality is the way it is, filming with a phone rather than screen capture. What you will find is that once you make some changes and learn some things, there's really nothing to it. Fundamentally, despite what people say, the operating systems, the Windows and Mac, work in very much the same way. So once you've made those changes and learned some things, you'll be absolutely flying. The original name for this series was something quite rude, similar along the lines of FML, FMN, but I changed it to Surviving Your First Day with a Mac because I thought I'd try and be sensible. I hope you find the videos useful. If there's something that I've missed or something you think would be useful to know, by all means write it in the comments. I'll see if I can make a follow-up video for that. And best wishes with your new role if you're in a new job, and best wishes with your new Mac if you've just purchased a Mac and have decided to use that now.